A brief respite from the heavy rain today, however, flooding continues across the country this evening as the rain recommences over the west now. Tropical Depression 15F has moved away and we are watching Tropical Depression 16F intensify close to Vanuatu. There is a high risk that this depression will strengthen to a tropical cyclone intensity as it moves towards Fiji tonight and early tomorrow. Heavy rain warnings remain current for all of Fiji and flood warnings are also in force for all major rivers and their tributaries. Local flash flooding continues to affect all parts of the country, especially the west and the north. Rainfall accumulations continue to exceed 100 millimeters over many parts of the country. In the past 48 hours to 9 a.m. this morning, Nandarivatu has reported over 660 millimeters of rain, while Nadi has reported over 350 millimeters in the same period, 177 millimeters yesterday and this morning, and 184 on Sunday. Cloud bands cover Fiji ahead of the next depression approaching from the west. More heavy rain and thunderstorms are likely around Fiji tonight and tomorrow. The scent of Depression 16F is evident to the west near Vanuatu, and this system will intensify over the next 12 to 24 hours as it approaches Fiji. Flooding will likely continue and worsen over the next 24 hours. Humid northwesterly monsoonal winds extend across Fiji and strong wind warnings are current for coastal waters and land areas. The winds are likely to gust to 90 kilometers per hour at times in heavy rain, squalls and thunderstorms. Winds will be damaging for those areas still recovering from Tropical Cyclone Winston, where many temporary structures are located. Cloudy with periods of rain across the western division, a few thunderstorms likely also. Occasional heavy falls with squalls to 90 kilometers per hour from the northwest. The center of the approaching depression is likely to pass south of Vitilevu tomorrow evening just after dark, give or take 3 hours. Conditions are likely to be at their worst late tomorrow. Much the same across the northern division with rain heavy at times and a few thunderstorms. Heavier falls likely along the Motherwater coast with extensive flash flooding of low-lying areas, squally northwest winds gusting to 90 kilometers per hour in heavy rain. Rain persisting across the central and eastern divisions with occasional heavy falls, local flash flooding of low-lying areas. Flood alerts are current for the Rewa River and its tributaries, including the Waimanu River. Strong and squally north to northwest winds averaging 20 to 30 knots with squalls to 40 knots at times, rough seas and swells. Visibility will be reduced to less than 1 kilometer in heavy rain at times. Warnings for small craft are in place and mariners should stay ashore. The risk of TD16F strengthening to tropical cyclone intensity in the next 24 hours is now rated as high. In the event that it does reach tropical cyclone intensity, it will likely stay a Category 1 system. Whether it becomes a tropical cyclone or not, the rain will continue to be the most significant hazard, with the winds less of a concern. As heavier falls recommence tonight, the flood risk will increase across the country. Those who are located in flood-prone areas should seek higher ground as soon as practicable and follow the advice of local authorities and DISMAC. The rain should ease and start to clear on Thursday morning, and after this system clears away, fine and settled weather will likely return. Updates on current flood conditions and weather are available on our website at NaDraki.com and our Facebook page. If you have a Vodafone or Inc mobile phone, you can subscribe to our customized weather services menu by dialing *804#. Access to the *804# weather menu is free until you subscribe to a daily updated service or request a one-off update. Conditions apply. From the MyTV team and NaDraki, we wish all a safe and pleasant evening.